Hi, this is PGA professional Paul Hobart, and I'm excited that you've decided to check out our 5-day system to help you get rid of your slice. So many golfers, in fact up to 85% of people that play this game, slice the golf ball, and in doing so they cost themselves a tremendous amount of distance and also add a lot of aggravation and uncertainty to how they're going to play the game. We have a 5-day program which you're going to go through step by step, and we're going to cover some aspects to turn your ball flight from a slice into that of a draw. We want you to get you to turn the ball over a little bit and add distance. A Golf Digest study years ago found that with the same driver swing speed, a little bit of an open club face, which would produce a slice, versus a little bit of a closed club face, could change the distance by up to 17 yards. Now what we've found with a lot of the golfers that we've taught this to is you can actually gain more distance, because as you start to get a better ball flight and better contact, your confidence goes up, you start to make a little bit better swing, the club comes into the ball better, so you may gain more distance than just the 17 yards that we're talking about here. Key would be if you could gain 17 yards or a little bit more than that. For many of you, that's going to mean 2 less clubs going into the green, so maybe an 8-iron versus a 6-iron, 5-iron versus a 3-iron, so that's a key difference to getting your scores to come down. So we're excited to have you, urge you to stay tuned in. This has helped thousands of golfers in a number of different countries to change their game. So stay tuned, we're going to move on to day 1 of the program.